Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Cillas Stuff and Things. Today I have a special guest.
You're doing this vlog style, huh?
I am, yes. So Ace and I are doing beer can grilled chicken. I'm so excited about this. Super easy. Really you just have to season the chicken, put a beer can in places, and stick it on the grill.
We're sticking a beer can in a chicken's butt and seeing what happens.
Yeah, so here we go. We are using leftover fill beer. If you don't know, Summer's dad drinks Longboard Island Lager. So that's what we're using because we're not beer drinkers, so that's what we have.
It's either that or it gets a claw up the butt. So.
Wow. Okay, so we actually have two chickens. We had this one from Butcher Box, not sponsored, but that is not enough for
a little baby chicken. Look at that thing.
So I bought another one from Publix. So we're gonna do two chickens. Holy cow! I don't know if you can see outside. It looks like our house is on fire because Asa started the grill. Okay, holy cow! I need arm workout. So here we go. Do you want me to do this part?
Sure, what? Yeah, go. You go ahead and season and I'll cook it because I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my. Can you link this? Everybody asks me about this thing.
Yep.
In all my videos. It's off of Amazon. I'm just gonna take some olive oil and rub it around the chicken.
Back in over there.
I know, it's working. Get you a little brush. Just move it around. Now you cleaned it out, right? You cleaned the chicken out.
Yeah, cleaned it out. It had like the gizzard and the stuff. What's inside chicken? Same thing that's in a turkey.
Yeah, like the neck.
Yeah, the giblets.
The neck and the giblets. Okay.
No, there wasn't a neck.
Okay. Then I'm just gonna put some garlic powder.
Let's hope.
Oh yeah.
Find one.
You want to over season it because you're putting it on the grill and it's going to cook down a lot. So put more than you think you need. You know? What do you think we should have to go with this? I have broccoli.
That'd be good.
Yeah. And then I got this brown sugar bourbon seasoning I thought could be fun. And then we're also going to use Tony Chachere's. So it's kind of give it like a sweet and spicy.
Okay.
It's kind of like my mood. Sweet and spicy. And you'll get half on, half off. We need to lift it up once we put the beer.
Okay.
And then we'll get the other side.
Makes sense.
Seasonings make my nose water. Run. My nose run. Now don't go too much on this because it's, you know, it's got a little kick to it. But it's just the outside. Okay. So now you take the beer can. Do you want any of this? Because I'm just dumping it out.
I'm not a fan.
Okay. You're just dumping out a little bit.
Party foul.
Yeah. It's for my homies. You're going to do that for each can. I am not putting that chicken. It's for my homies. Okay. So that's your part.
Okay.
I went ahead and put them on a baking sheet that I don't care about. My dad.
Yeah, it's probably going to make a mess, right?
Yeah. So they make little holders. My dad asked me last night, oh, do you have a beer can chicken holder? I'm like, no. So they actually make them. So maybe we can find it on Amazon. Oh my gosh, you're going to dump it.
I got it.
Okay.
I'm good.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is a big boy chicken.
Yeah, I might need like a tall boy beer.
You might need a White Claw. Okay. Just gonna stay like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I will go through with the seasoning, or you can if you want, and just get the back.
I got chicken all in my hands. You go ahead and get the.
Okay, I'll do the seasoning
Blend
first.
wash.
Okay.
Perfect.
So we're just gonna go in here and. Think. There we go. It smells good.
Pretty involved for a lazy Sunday meal, huh?
I mean, mean, once you get it on the grill, it's pretty
It's true.
hands off. So you want to cook this for about an hour and a half. So make sure you plan ahead. We wanted to make this yesterday, but I was like, oh, we don't have enough time. You can, you know, play around with seasonings and do kind of whatever you like to do. Okay, so you want your grill to be a medium-high heat. I don't know what that means.
I'm gonna go to 350.
Okay.
That's usually what I cook on anyway.
Okay.
It's gonna fit.
I hope so. You're gonna cook it for an hour and a half.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, that's perfect. It's like it was meant for that.
So just let it go, right?
Yeah. So you may, I don't know, the tray may cause it to have to cook longer.
Okay.
So we just need to
Well, this thing cooks like an oven though.
Okay.
It doesn't cook like a grill necessarily, so we might be okay. I mean, it should cook like it would cook in an oven.
Okay. So internal temperature of the chicken needs to be 165 degrees.
Okay, no problem.
So about an hour and a half. But
Well, and the thick boy's got a thermometer on it. It'll pop out.
Perfect.
So we can check that.
so excited.
It's gonna be good.
We've been talking about this forever.
Okay, we had a little minor catastrophe with other things going on with Priscilla's live streaming thing she's doing. So chickens are in longer than I want them to be. Let's see. I mean, they look real done. Kind of good though. I mean, maybe it's for the better, you know. Oh yeah, we're a little high. We're at about 175. Let me check another spot here just to make sure. Feels right. You know when that probe goes in, it just feels like it's done. Oh, we're super hot. Okay, little, gonna be a little overcooked, but hopefully that beer can kept it good and moist. Gonna grab some mitts. Looks good, huh?
It does.
Are you excited? So hungry.
You just carve up the chicken?
Yeah, you can just pull the beer can out of its butt and get after it.
Is that funny, Abby? It sounds funny.
Do we each get a chicken, or how's that gonna work? Do we have to fight off?
You just chop in half,
No, just Summer will grab one side.
throw them on the
Go
floor,
full caveman.
and dive in like a lion's cage. Gotta pull this can out.
Oh, that's so weird.
It is. It is very weird. Oh, make sure. Oh, wow. She's tender.
Wow. I guess that's kind of the point, right?
Huh? Yeah, that's kind of what it's for. Okay. There's probably a better way to do this, but.
It looks so
It's a
weird.
girl!
Oh my gosh. There you go.
It's a cold one.
It's like forceps.
It's a gold one. That's funny. Pretty.
I'm sure Priscilla would make it look prettier, but
Well,
you get what you get.
you don't throw fit.
Okay. We gotta get that shot. She always gets.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
It is juicy. I was worried I had overcooked it because it was in there too long. She juicy.
Not cooked there.
Want to taste?
Yeah.
Wowzers. Alright, who likes dark meat?
Me.
Who likes white meat?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Lame.
Cool. Alright. That's it. How does she end the video?
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on that bell notification to get notified next time we cook something like a bird with a can up its butt. Alright. See you guys next time. Bye.